Teachers, dear students, a very good morning to you all.
Good morning, sir.
With a heavy heart, I am dedicating today's morning assembly program to the martyrs who were slain on 22nd of April 2025 at Baisran Valley in Pahalgam in district Anantnag. 22nd April will always find a prime place at the pages of history because it was the darkest day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. Because on this day, 28 people lost their lives at the cost of terrorism. It was the day when 28 people from across the country visited Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag, and on this day they came to enjoy the beauty and serenity of the valley with their eyes open. Unfortunately, they returned their homes with their eyes closed forever. It was the day which experienced the worst phase of terrorism unknown to Jammu and Kashmir. Unfortunately, the nation is associating the killers with the Islam. But the reality is that Islam has nothing to do with such people. The people who carried this insane and inhuman act are far, far away from the teachings and fundamental principles of Islam. The world must know that terrorism has no face, no humanity, no religion, and no human instincts. From the platform of MIE, I as the principal on behalf of Management Committee of MIE, teaching and non-teaching staff and student community condemn this inhuman and insane act. And I urge the security agencies of the country in charge of safeguarding the lives of Indian nationals to try their level best to reach the realities of the event and bring the accused to the justice. To the families of deceased people, I can only say that we could not bring you back the lives departed for their final destiny. But during this tough time, we are all with you during this tough time through all thick and thin. To the deceased people who lost their lives in this terror attack, I can only say that we are shameful because your killers are still taking the breath of independence. In solidarity and unity with the deceased families and people who lost their lives, let's observe a silence of 2 minutes. Enough for today. Go back to your classes. Thank you.